Let's tour cabin 6589, which is an interior cabin on Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas. The keys to your room are found outside your cabin. Deck 6 is perfect for those who want easy access to the promenade, the boardwalk, Central Park, and the main dining room. You simply tap your key card to unlock the door. Do not lose this card. It also acts as your credit card while on the ship. It's always fun to enter the cabin for the first time. We opted for 2 beds, which can be put together for those who prefer one large bed. The vanity area provides 3 USB plugs, 2 European plugs, and 2 USB ports. I know how important this is for everyone. In the dresser, you're going to find your cooler, hair dryer, tissues, and room service menus. Plus, lots of room for storage. There's a small sofa for lounging. More storage can be found in this closet as well as the one on the other side of the beds. Here you will have your safe, shelves, and a few drawers. The nightstand for each side of the bed includes 1 US plug and a USB port. One includes a phone and a QR code to easily contact your cabin attendant if needed. The bathroom's nice. Here you have a stand-up shower, sink, additional shelving. In the shower, you're going to find a retractable clothesline to hang up those wet items. Hair and body wash is provided, but I do recommend bringing your own. The shower head is adjustable in pressure and height. And ladies, you have a foot bar to make shaving easier. We use the back wall to hang additional storage and hooks. Remember, the walls are steel, so magnets work well. So until I see you guys out on the ships, happy sailing.